the coefficient of t power 4 in the expansion of this. Okay, now here for this problem we need binomial theorem for negative index. So therefore, now if you want coefficient of t power 4, first we can write this problem as, so I will write this problem as 1 minus t power 6 whole cube divided by 1 minus t the whole cube. Okay, now this can be written as 1 minus t power 6 whole cube into, now this when we write it up, we can write it as 1 minus t power minus 3. Now for this is usual binomial theorem. So this is nothing but 3c0 1 power 3 plus 3c1 1 square into minus t power 6. So the next term 3c1 will become 3c2, 1 square will become 1, this will become minus t power 6 square. Okay. Next term will become, in fact there is actually no need of writing this term and this term also, because we want only t power 4, this is already t power 6, this is t power 12. Okay, but I will just finish the expansion. This is 3c3 minus t power 6 whole cube. So this is the expansion of 1 minus t power 6 whole cube using binomial theorem. Okay, and for 1 minus t power minus 3, the expansion is, now this expansion of negative I have explained in the synopsis, you can just go through the synopsis. Now therefore from there I will just copy down 1 minus t power minus 3, we do not have negative binomial index in our syllabus, but in JEE this kind of question, this is a very recent JEE problem, so last year's problem, so they can ask this, so you should know. So you can just go to the synopsis. So this I will write this as 1, this expansion now I will directly write 1 plus 3t plus 6t square plus 10t cube plus 15t power 4 etc. Actually this is an infinite expansion, it will go on like this. But I have written how this 1, 3, 6, 10, 15 comes, you can just refer the synopsis. And here if you see this, I have written only till t power 4 because I want coefficient of t power 4, so the other ones I can ignore. Now what happens is, this I will write, this is just 1, this is minus 3 t power 6, this is 3c2 is again 3, this is 3 t power 12, and this is minus t power 18 into 1 plus 3t plus 6t square plus 10t cube plus 15t power 4 etc. Now if you just see where t power 4 is coming, as I told you, there was no need at all to write these terms because these are already more than t power 4. So there is only one possibility where t power 4 comes, it is when this constant gets multiplied to this. So therefore there is only one term containing t power 4, that is 15 t power 4, and hence for this question 15 is the answer. So 15 is the answer for this question.